everyone, I'm back. It's been a while. I took a little bit of a break because I flew to Belgium. I'm here currently for 3 weeks, and I also had to pull out my wisdom teeth, all 4, so that's why I just took a little bit of a break to reset. I really like these vlogs. I mean, I follow people on YouTube that have kind of this more like routine at home, or like they show what they cook, or so a little bit more like slower content. I really enjoy that, so I was like, I'm gonna do that too. And yeah, right now I just went to the store. I bought this flour, which, if you can see, this is like Italian flour, so you can only get this in like specific stores here in Belgium. And this is like the best flour to make, like if you want to make like pasta, focaccia, and also pizza. This flour is really good, so I think in these days I'm also going to make that. I am now going to make some lunch. I don't know actually what I'm going to make. I'm just going to make simple, like a ham and cheese grilled sandwich. Just some ham, some cheese. Yeah, that's it. Very simple. So good. I think also a double cheese is very good. This is just like 1 layer. I think also some people like eat this with ketchup, but I'm not sure. Okay, we're gonna do like a taste test, even though it's like very basic food. Very good. Very crunchy. 10 out of 10 for sure. Okay, so it's a little bit later now and I'm in my room. I put you on some books, like the bookshelves I have here on the wall, and I'm struggling. It's really hot, but I just am cleaning up my room and I just want to make like a little time lapse. Let's go. Let's clean up this mess. So I just wanted to show you my little book shelves. So I have some Italian books, some like a mix of all different kinds of books, a theory book, and then up here also have some more. And then I just put like some lights around it, which is very nice, like in the evening. Makes it just very cozy. it's now the evening and I felt inspired to bake something, and I was like looking online. I always make these kind of like lemony brownies. I mean, they're like blondies, and like fudgy ones. They're so good. It was like, now we have some raspberries, so I was like, maybe I wanna do like a mix of the two. And then I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna make like the recipe from TikTok, and I'm gonna just put some raspberries, like frozen raspberries in, because I think it's like better when they're frozen, like you can blend them better. So yeah, I just made them. I mean, I want to film, I just completely forgot to film. Yeah, next time I'm gonna make something else, I'm going to film, but I'm going to write the recipe down below. It's all in grams, so if you want to make it. Yeah, and I'm just waiting to cool down. Also made some icing sugar, which is just like powdered sugar with lemon juice and some like lemon zest. Can you see? I mean, this lighting is not the best, but yeah, I just like kind of like drizzled it on. This is how it looks. I'm very curious to go and cut into this. I'm just waiting for it like to cool down a little bit. I normally make like this kind of triangular shapes. Let's make like little bites. And then it looks like this inside. Okay, the focus. Yeah. So things are. Okay, let's do the taste test. Mm. 11 out of 10. So good. Okay.